For this video, I will show you how to add a contact form on your Wix website. Let's get started. First, go to your Wix account, then choose the site you want and click on Edit Site. On the upper left part of the site, click on the arrow beside Home. Then at the bottom, click on Manage Pages. Then on the side menu, click on Add Pages. Here you can choose Contact and it will show you templates you can use for your site. You can also add it manually. Just click on Blank Page, name it as Contact Us, and close the menu. Then, on the left toolbar, click on Add Elements. Choose Contact and Forms, and it will show you templates you can choose from. Click on one, and it was now added to your site. You can resize it to fit your page. You can also click on Edit Form, and here you can customize the form however you want. Just click Save to apply your changes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.